FMS Technologies. I'm going to start a new online batch for Python and Django. It will start from 5th June. The duration of the course is 2 months. Batch timings morning 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. Here my intention is all my students have to go out with a job. I'll provide support it until it is needed. Here I'm going to share content details. I did one video on content. I'm going to provide that link in the description. You guys can go through that link. You guys can able to understand how much content I'm going to cover in this batch. By the time of completing this course, you guys will become a strong web developer in Python. You guys can able to develop any web application from scratch to end. That guarantee I can able to give. Up to 4 years experience, you guys can crack interviews very easily. Here what I'm going to cover. Here I'm covering complete Python, core and advanced Pythons. If you guys want to become web developers, compulsory you guys should know one framework also. Here I'm covering Django framework. That is one of the most Python related framework in the market. Compare with other Python related frameworks, Django is a very powerful framework. Here I'm covering that Django framework at here. If you guys want to contact, in description I'm going to provide my contact details also. This is my mail id and my contact number 953853527. This is my WhatsApp number. I'm going to give these details in description. Whoever interested to join this batch, please enroll as early as possible. Right, please put a message to this number. I'll give a reply to that. Thank you guys. Bye bye.